The M8 finally gets the send-off it deserves. But not from BMW. The BMW M8 Coupe is not sticking around for the 2026 model year, but it remains a formidable piece of automotive machinery on paper. The M8 Coupe packs BMW's S63 twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, pumping out 617 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. It blitzes to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds. And flat out, it goes 190 miles per hour with the driver's package included Coupe 22.5 base. $138,800 community base trim engine 4.4L twin-turbo V8 gas-based trim transmission, 8-speed automatic base trim drive, trainal wheel drive, base trim horsepower, 617 HP, BASE trim torque 553, LBFT at 1800 RPM, make BMW model, 8 coupe for most drivers. Those outputs would provide plenty of oomph from their ultimate driving machine. But some drivers will always want a little more power. And that is where German tuner G-Power comes in. G-Power built. An 809 horsepower BMW M8 Coupe enthusiasts know. G-Power, as the company that builds seriously powerful takes on BMWs. The company's builds have included a 789 horsepower M3 sedan, a 650 horsepower M2, and even a nearly 800 horsepower X5M crossover. The German tuning house did a similar thing here with the recently unveiled G8M Biturbo, which the company says delivers first-class performance, engineered without compromise. The G8M Biturbo's main feature is, you guessed it, getting more output from the S63 engine. G-Power tuned it up to 809 horsepower and 737 pounds-ft of torque. The exterior modifications G-Power provided for the G8M Biturbo include a GP Venturi carbon hood, GP Hurricane RS forged wheels, a GP dynamic wing at the rear, and for those who like their BMW to deliver a bit more basso, profundo, AGPD tone exhaust system. On the inside, custom sport steering wheel and premium velour car mats help provide a refined yet performance-focused interior. G-Power did not provide a total build cost. Our estimate from poking around the G-Power website would be at least around $64,000 at the present exchange rate, with European VAT included. That, of course, does not include the BMW M8 itself, which started around $140,000 in 22.5. Why? BMW is canceling the M8 Coupe. BMW it's confirmed that the M8 Coupe has departed the lineup for the 2026 model year. The 4-door Grand Coupe and convertible M8 South will remain in the lineup. However, the entire BMW 8 Series is leaving the lineup after 2026 without a designated replacement. BMW did not give an official reason for the 2-door coupe's departure, though we suspect it would be due to poor sales. 2-door sports coupes of all stripes are having trouble selling right now. The BMW M8 Coupe is in a bit of a tricky position within the BMW lineup. It was very expensive, starting at $140,000. If you're an ultimate driving machine enthusiast, there are several potentially more compelling M-branded jumping-off points before that, such as the M2 Coupe, the M3, the M4, and both the sedan and touring wagon versions of the M5. Particularly, in the M5's case, those cars are a lot more practical. The performance and starting price for the M8 Coupe also pit the car against premium sports car. Rivals like the Porsche 911 and Mercedes AMG GT, those vehicles are more dialed-in sports cars, and, at least in the 911's case, it is dramatically lighter than the M8 Coupe.